Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at the total cryptocurrency market cap, excluding Bitcoin. Now, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, do hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. We now are in a new phase of the cycle. Bitcoin's over $20,000. It's currently trading at around $22,000. And there is a new market cap for Bitcoin. There has been a new market cap for Bitcoin because comparing the supply of Bitcoin from the recently to 2017, there's a lot more Bitcoin now in circulation, and because of that, $20,000 Bitcoin today has a higher market cap than $20,000 Bitcoin of 2017. And even before that, we've been making new grounds on market cap for Bitcoin. However, that market cap has not yet shown to even outpace for the entire market cap, despite Bitcoin being at $20,000, making new highs. We're still not past 750 billion, $761 billion in total cryptocurrency market cap. So we know Bitcoin's not the problem. Bitcoin's trying very hard. Our focus should be on the altcoins, and altcoins are lagging. We can see it in total 2 chart, where current market cap is $220 billion. As at the height of 2018, of that altcoin cycle, we were looking at about 474. So we're basically not even halfway there. We would have to go up maybe 110, 115% in valuation of market cap without Bitcoin. So that's we're looking at Ethereum, Chainlink, Cardano, Bitcoin Cash, even Ripple, Litecoin. The top 10 cryptocurrencies that have the largest market cap is going to need to step up, so to speak, in order to really make a dent in increasing this market cap. Like Uniswap or Celsius, they're great, or even a lower market cap coin shooting up 20-30% in a day is great. It's expected for small cap all coins, but it's not going to make a dent in dominance. It's not going to make a dent in the market cap either, because we're talking about hundreds of billions of dollars. Celsius is not hundreds of billions of dollars. One thing that I want to bring out, though, and kind of see what the state of altcoins are right now in terms of its US dollar valuations, is the RSI. Now, the RSI on the monthly chart, I think, is quite very, very useful, more so than using the RSI for anything else, like on the daily or even the weekly. But as you can see here, we're currently right at the line here. We have a lot more room to grow. As you can see, that the run of 2017 and into 2018, we saw that the market cap of altcoins really shoot up to the high 90s. Now, I don't necessarily think that we'll make it to the high 90s, but definitely high 80s, low 90s are definitely on the table. That is my target for this cycle. We're currently at 70. We have a lot more room to grow. And all of this comes down to uh, the last few weeks, the last month, ever since Bitcoin was around $17,000, I've been saying that, look, Bitcoin's really the star of the show. Everyone's looking at Bitcoin. Everyone has been looking at Bitcoin for quite some time. Altcoins are bleeding. We should really consider pivoting. We need to pivot. We need to pivot to our altcoin positions. Our altcoins are bleeding. The risk is lower now than it once was back in the summer, especially with coins like Ethereum, especially coins like Chainlink, and even coins like Ripple, where they have been bleeding for the past few months. And they're great buying opportunities. I can't stress that enough, especially if you're buying with Bitcoin. I understand that the evaluations of the US dollar against Ethereum, against Chainlink, even against Ripple, Litecoin, I understand they're going up, but Do not be mistaken that it is because Bitcoin is dragging up the market against its US dollar valuation. I mean, look, Bitcoin's up 2% right now, at 23,600. Ethereum is at 658 and is up 0.6%. However, the Bitcoin valuation with Ethereum is down 1.2%. We buy these coins because we're under the assumption and belief that they will outpace Bitcoin. And I'm very confident that they will outpace Bitcoin. It's just a matter of when. So don't be fooled. Don't be mistaken about these small gains with altcoins that you see with Chainlink and Ethereum, and you see them going up. Don't be mistaken. Look at their Bitcoin valuations. They're not outpacing Bitcoin. They are not keeping up with Bitcoin. And that is a problem. That is not the moves that we're wanting to see. We are wanting to see the narrative shift when Bitcoin cools down and we start seeing the momentum kick in with these altcoins, and we should really show returns. One way to think about it is, yes, Ethereum's at 660. It's at $660. The Ethereum Bitcoin valuation's at 0.2788. If we were to, let me get my calculator here. If we were to revisit the highs of say of the late early fall, so August, so we're looking at a 0.372. So a 0.037 Ethereum. Yeah, let's call it that. Let's run down, make it even. At current Bitcoin price levels, we are looking at a $851 Ethereum, guys. Those are the moves that I'm talking about. Those are the moves that you should be looking at, not these small moves of Ethereum. That's not what we're here for. We want the large moves of Ethereum. These moves. We want to be a part of these moves. And I think those moves are coming. They won't be as significant as these, but they are coming. And lastly, before I end this video, I want us to look at kind of the outlook for altcoins in the month of December and and onwards. So that like the short-term time frame of altcoins, what have we seen in the past within 3 months? So 90 days. And we could see that here. We could see that the past two, so you could see these lines here. Each line indicates a green or red candle if you can't see it. And we can see that for the most part they're green, except for one, which was this past 2019, two in December 2014. We can't go any further back, but that's what we got to work with. Also, we see over 90 days, two instances when Bitcoin price went down. When altcoin prices of the market cap went down. Remember, this does not include Bitcoin, so this is not indicative of the Bitcoin price. What I think we should really be looking at is during a bull run, what does the altcoin market do? So when we look at 2015, 2016, so when we look at, we can bring out Bitcoin USD here and get a good sense of when and where all this happened. That's not what I wanted to do. I guess I can't load it in. Okay, so 2015, you can argue was like the beginning, but let's look here to the weekly, and we want to get a sense of when was the bull market, when would it have kicked in. I would have said, October 2015 is a pretty good start. That was the reversal. We bottomed out and we started moving up. So October 2015. And so let's go back to total 2. And flip it back on the monthly. So we see that the month of October is here. So when December 2015 happened, we're well underway. And so the month of December of 2015 had a monthly gain of about 20%, and we have an increase in 90 days, in 3 months, of 70%. We can see the same thing here in the following year. It was a monthly green candle of 87% and a 90-day increase of 135. Even at the peak, 2017, if you bought at opening of December, which was 174% green monthly candle, but if you even held it and sold at close of in 3 months, then you would have still netted a 90% ROI. It is only the following 2 years, in the 2019 and just recently in 2020, is when we see like a diminished return. So we lost 11% in 2019 over 3 months, and we actually gained about 30% in 3 months in this year. The question is what are we going to see this year? Right now, we're at 3% above. In the monthly green candle, we're up 3%. We're up 4% if you want to call it. And looking at how total 2 shows during bull markets in the same kind of phases that we are in, we see the potential of altcoins really starting to move. Now, I understand 60%, maybe that's not what you're here for. Anything below like 150%, you're not in for it. But remember, this is hundreds of billions of dollars, hundreds of millions of dollars. You could see that we're dealing with large numbers when we're looking at the total cryptocurrency market cap. And so this can relate to big moves with altcoins in the coming months. I think the next 3 months are going to be very good for altcoins. I think December is going to be really good for altcoins. As we've seen during bull markets, we see that these moves are pretty fantastic, from minimum of 20% to a maximum of 87 to over 100%. We see these moves happen in the month of December, and we see that within 90 days, you will net a very good ROI. And it's quite consistent within the bull market. Bear markets are a little questionable, but I think within a bull market, we are bound to see this happen in the next 3 months. So keep an eye on the total 2. Keep an eye on the dominance chart, because that's another way of understanding the strength of altcoins. And then you'd also want to be looking at top 10 altcoins like Ethereum, Cardano, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, even anything in the top 10, because they have the largest cryptocurrency. They have the largest market cap out of most altcoins, and they will make the biggest dents. So when we see big moves from those coins, we should see that reflect on the dominance in the market cap. Anyway, that's all I have to say to you guys today. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.